So this week we have this old CL 550 quarter panel. Just got kind of side scraped all along here, a little bit up in this area, but main damage is down here and it's gone right through and it's tore right through the quarter panel. So body line's pushed in a little bit along here. Not really concerned about this, that's more the where it got hit the hardest. So what we'll do is we're going to try and get in behind here, try and get all these low areas out as much as we can. When I have this nice and flat, then we'll stick a weld along that. And then we'll obviously e-coat the backside of it, and then put some cavity wax there just to stop any corrosion in the future. But anyway, rear bumper's over there. It's all just scraped all along on here. I'll show you that now in a minute, just there. What we'll do is we'll try to get this all low area out, see if I have any access in there, and go from there. Let's go. Folks, so I can get in behind up to about this area. Well, you can see that rip is right here, but it's not coming out nice. It's kind of nice and smooth. We're gonna probably have to dent pull this area here because it's all double paneled. I can't get in behind there. This came out nice as well, nice and flat now. So we'll work on that now. I'll get this paint out and dent pull this. Let's go. We'll weld that up last. Right, so what I'm going to use is obviously the DA here, but the sandpaper I have on here is grade P80. Now you could obviously do P120, but I just think you'll be there a bit longer. So I'm just using P80 just to get it off that bit quicker. In the deep gouges there, obviously the DA won't get in there. What you'll see me do now in a minute is, there you go, I just have a little wire brush on the drill and just gets into them areas just to get the paint out, because I will be welding there. Spray a bit of a guy coat there and just sand it down. That's going to kind of highlight my low areas. So as you can see there, it just pinpoints where I need to get them out with the dent puller. Makes it that bit easier. Right, so now I'll just run over with the DA with a bit of 80 again. I got the metal as good as I want it. Don't want to work it too much because I'm going to stick a welder on it now. Weld up that little rip that was in it. And then we'll move on to the filler stage. And we'll just finish up with a few more little low areas. I'll just touch them up there now, sand them down, get it to where I'm really happy, and then I'll buzz it down here with the DA with a bit of 120 and get it prepped up for a bit of filler. So people have been asking me what grade sandpaper I use. I usually, if it's a big repair, I'd start with 80 just to knock the head off it, move on to 120, and then I'd finish with 180. The odd time I'd finish with 320 or 220, whatever. But I'll probably knock this down with 80 really quickly, onto 120, onto 180. And then hopefully we get it in the first game. Like I always say though, if you don't get it, first game is just to kind of get the reshape. Second game, try and always get it in the second game. But I understand people at different levels of their trade. Remember when I started off, filler was the hardest thing for me to get. Sometimes I put bleeding 5 skims into it and I'm like, Jesus Christ. But anyway, let's get going with this one. Right, so not gonna lie, it's feeling pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Not happy with here. A few little low areas. I am just gonna put a little wipe along here, get that a little bit nicer. and then we should be good. So anyway, let's blow it all off, see if there's any little pinholes anywhere there is, we'll fill them as well, and then we'll sand it down. And I'm going to move on to this. We're doing a job on this, I'm going to have a video on that as well. Tailgate repair. Here, give you a quick little look at what's to come. So that's this one. That's all pushed in. I'm going to be doing that, a video on that. I have the CLA here. Going to be doing a video on that. We just have all auto right on explaining the damage for the insurance company. We're going to be repairing that quarter, new door. Just looking out, this quarter's filler all over already, so I'll probably take it out. I have a Q5 here for a roof repair. And I have a Bentley Bentayga over there, getting a whole front end. That might be an engine out, and a section of a frame rail going into it. So I'm doing a video on that as well. So hopefully luxury car repair is going to be getting a lot more videos on YouTube. Anyway, filler on that one, let's go. So yeah, like I said, just a little bit of filler there, then there's a few little pinholes as you can see up there, and then a little bit at the back. If anybody's wondering why I put a little bit more filler on the middle of the quarter panel up there, it was very hard to see in the camera, but it was a bit wavy where it was just pushed in, so that I said I'll just put a nice light skim on it just to blend it all in. Okay folks, so that is that one done. What I'm going to do is, I'm just trying to be around to making sure that body line's going in there. I'm going to round that edge off a little bit with a bit of 400, just to foam back 400. Obviously there's bolts that go in here in between here, it's going to suck the bumper to the quarter. But it's all looking good, it's all feeling good. So next up for this is the paint shop. When it comes out of the paint shop, I'll get a little bit of a video going, a few pictures, and we'll attach it to this. So let's go get painted. Right everyone, this is coming to the end of the video now. As you seen in the quick clip there, it was just all primed, went and got prepped. Obviously got painted, and here it is getting washed after getting polished. So looks well. I was happy with the outcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a quick one this week, but just showing you the process of a quick repair and how I approach it. I didn't attach it because I didn't record it, but obviously in the inside we cleaned it all down. We primed it, put some e-coat on it, and some wax, some cavity wax on it, just the corrosion protection. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give the video now a like. Any questions, hit me up in the comments and I'll try and get back to you. I'll leave you with a few before and afters. So yeah, enjoy your weekend and I'll see you next week. Take it easy.